What's up YouTube, it's Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. I got a couple of cases I make videos about in the future, but this video is going to be short and sweet, just kind of my first impressions being somebody who's coming from a Z Fold 2. Before we get going though, I want to remind you guys, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I have links in the description. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if this video helps you out at all, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But without further ado, let's talk tech. Alright guys, so getting right into it, we've got the Z Flip 5G, Z Flip 3 5G that is, in the house. I'm going to take a look at it. Go ahead and cut this plastic off these boxes. Try to do this from behind the camera. It has been a while, man. To be honest, I'm gonna go ahead and put that out there. It has definitely been a while since I've done a video. Just been doing life stuff. Nothing bad, all good stuff. It's just been my time's just been stretched so thin, and I finally have some time and space to do what I love. And boom, here we have the phone. And I'm not even going to really mess around with what's in the box. You guys have seen the box. It's anemic. You got your little SIM card ejector tool, and you should have your Type-C. It's a Type-C cable in here for, yeah, there it is, Type-C to Type-C cable for the brick that you hopefully have on deck. And as far as the color that I got, the black looks clean, the panda looks good too, but I saw a video from Techzilla, and he pulled out this color right here, this green, and I was like, oh yeah, that's got to come to the house. So I've got this phantom green, as they call it, and this is my first time actually holding a Z Flip. Like I said, I do have a Fold 2, but this is my first time holding a Z Flip, my first time closing it. Okay, sturdy hands on deck. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Yep. Let's open it back up. So I see how floss can like flick it up with confidence. Close it. It moves like it's designed to do that, which makes sense. Helps out a lot. So first power on. About to say, I know we got some juice up in there. All right, but while it's powering up, guys, go ahead and show you kind of the cases that I got. So of course Samsung's giving out everything but the kitchen sink. So I grabbed a couple of cases for it. I got the clear cover with ring. I have this joint right here, I got high hopes for. It's the leather cover. Put it out the way. And I also have the silicone cover. So I kind of got a case for kind of all occasions. Silicone one obviously is going to be a little bit tougher. Leather, it's going to be nicer, and the clear is going to be when I kind of just want to almost be naked, but not be naked. You know what I'm saying? So give me a second. I'll be making some more videos. I just want to try out this little, see if that works. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I'm ready to dive into this guy. I'll be doing tips and tricks videos, case videos, accessory videos. I got one of the Samsung exclusive colors, the pink joint, coming from my wife. So when hers comes in, I'll make another video about that. My Z Fold is actually out for repair, so when that comes back, I'll be making comparison videos of that. I'm not purchasing a Fold 3, but I do have access to a Phantom Green Fold 3, so I'll be doing a video with that. So just stay tuned, guys. I know it's been a minute, but we back out here, okay? Samsung Z Flip 3 5G in the building. Let's go. Till next time, guys. I'll talk to you. Peace.